How to update header and footer in Wix Studio. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make an update to the traditional header and also footer into your Wix Studio website. That means that we are going to change them or delete them and replace them for another header and footer. We are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account. Then we are going to see the site's dashboard, select the one that has been, let's say here, labeled built on Wix Studio. We're going to see here the dashboard. We're going to click on edit site on the setup or the home page. We're going to get basically this specific, as you can see, website. Now, what we're going to do basically is going to be very simple. We're going to head over here and click on the global sections. For the global sections, you're going to see that we have a header and also a footer. So we are going to create another header and also another footer. So let's begin with the footer. So I'm going to scroll down. Let's say that I do not like this footer. I'm going to delete it. I am going basically here to delete it directly, or I can go ahead and have maybe some settings before. So I'm going to click on the, let's say here, footer as a section. Then we are going to click on the right button of the mouse, and we're going to have it as something. So we are going to have it save as assets. So we are going to have it normally to arrange it, or let's say here have it something to the asset. So in this case, it is going to be not right there because it is already set up. So we are going to detach it from the global section. I'm going to click on that. So it is detached. So we're going to have here the, as you can see, the footer. So I'm going to delete the whole footer because maybe I do not need it or I do not like it. I'm going to delete the whole section. Boom, like that. And we're going to add a new one or update it. So we're going to have maybe wireframes or sections. So for the wireframes, we're going to have footers. So you can see that we have a lot of footers that we can add from wireframes. Maybe I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to add it just like that by clicking on it, and it is going to be added just like that. So now what I am going to do is to click on the right button of the mouse. Then we are going to add it or click on set as global footer. This is the first thing. Now we have the footer. For example, we are going to have it as footer 2. So now, as you can see, the default footer has been set as the default. So I'm going to have this one set as default as the second one. And I can go ahead and delete the old footer by clicking on delete. Now it is going to be the turn for the header. I'm going to click on it. Select it. I mean by that, we're going to detach it from global section and we're going to delete it like that. Now we're going to click on add elements. We're going to head over sections, not wireframes. From sections, we have navigations. We are going to click on headers and we are going to select one. So as you can see, we have 6 choices. So I'm going to have maybe this and add it like that. And it is going to be considered as a header. We have, as you can see, the information bar or the announcement bar. We have the logo place, and as you can see here, we have a button, social media, and etc. Now, what are we going to do is to add it, or we can go ahead and have it into the specific, let's say, the whole. I'm going to select the header itself. I'm going to add it as, or put it to the global, as you can name it, section. So it is normally going to be set up for this. I'm going to repeat that step because it had the website bug in a little bit. So we are going to redo that. So as you can see, I'm going to reselect the header. Click on the right button and we're going to have it as set as global header, just like that. We're going to head over the global section. We're going to name it. So name it just like that, for example, header 2. and we are going to set up as a default. So I'm going to have it like this, set up as default, and I can also delete the old one. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.